Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode, another reaction video. Today we are back with more Sidemen. We are still live on Twitch, so if you haven't come and checked us out, chill out with us. What the fuck are you doing? Hurry up, get in. We have Sidemen Guess the Sound. Hopefully one I can play along with. Not sure if we're going to be able to, but we're going to try anyway. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hearsay.
Sound all good,
the
everyone?
six of us will get given prompts and have to make the sound and then play it in front of everyone.
Here
we go.
Oh, God.
Warm up,
Wait, okay.
ups and downs. Your volume moves the ball
got waiting.
up and down. Get as many reps as you can. What?
Reps.
The higher it
what
goes,
do
the
you
longer
mean?
it takes to come. What the?
should we
everyone
record
mute
what's
this,
going on?
right?
Get ready.
Are we muting?
Go What? I don't think I can play along with this.
Go on, Josh.
Was that not just to go ba 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 ba? I don't understand what the.
I got
Come
points for
on,
that.
Josh. You've got one more.
Points for that. Points for
What the fuck was that?
I'm so baffled.
Round one of three. Oh, yeah, that was just the warm up. That was just
fun,
the.
though. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Sound.
Good luck. The sound of a screeching pterodactyl.
Oh no, that was bad. I was trying to screech. That was kind of what I was trying to go
Sound
for.
of a sad slide trombone.
Oh, it's different for everyone. That's a foghorn. Who's sucking dick?
Oh, the question is, do we get the same prompts as someone else?
I hope so. Oh, maybe.
Oh,
I
there
should
we
have
go.
replayed.
All right.
All right, here we
How
go.
does this go?
Oh, dearie me.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh no.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Don't mind it.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was terrible. That was probably worse than fucking mine. Yeah, that's by far the best.
That was like Last of Us
That was
vibes.
really good. Yeah.
No, that was good.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
Oh, I don't know.
That was by far the best one.
Screeching
out of those.
pterodactyl.
Vic, I'm not gonna lie to you, mate.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, honestly. Yeah, No. respect, Simon. Respect.
Yeah.
That was cold.
No, Simon's again weirdly good at that.
Oh.
Fuck, man. All right, I think mine's shit then. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty good.
That is
Yeah,
pretty
that's
cool,
good.
actually.
Yeah, that
Well done,
works, you
Sam.
know.
Well done.
I didn't clock that. That's like a little.
Yeah.
The sound
okay.
of sad slide trombone.
Oh, that's what that is.
Okay.
Done.
I don't know. It was.
I like that one more.
I kind of like that one.
Yeah,
Right.
that's just wrong.
Well, one of them can't win.
That's just really wrong.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh,
cool.
Yeah,
Valiant,
nice.
valiant,
Ethan
valiant.
had to win that.
Good effort.
Bro just sat there going.
I think it was the womp womp womp. Womp womp. What?
No, it's quite bad actually. It's
No,
quite
look,
bad.
Harry should have won.
Bro. Why did they play that clip for a sad slide trombone?
Yeah, maybe Harry should have won.
Honestly, I think Harry got it right. I mean, us two are wrong, I think. Because what the fuck did they just do?
Intermission, nibble noises.
Nibble noises.
Your volume steers the snake. Eat all the dots you can. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sorry in advance, viewers.
Jesus Christ, this video is fucking mental, isn't it? Oh, so we don't get to see what they're seeing. So they're getting the dots and they're like moving around on their screen, but we don't see that. I get
Bro,
it.
that was impossible.
Mate, that was so hard.
I get it. I get it.
Dude, bro, what you doing,
I swear my
Simon?
mic is so sensitive.
Bro, that was so hard.
280 points there, Toby. Come on, you know, man.
So you get more points, you win, bro.
Oh, yes, come on. I like these props.
Okay.
This is funny, man.
There we go.
Oh wait, what?
Oh, okay. Mumble sing the wrong words to a pop song.
I want to make a
I mean, that's basically what I fucking do anyway, no?
by my side.
But they're the right words.
You and I.
I don't know about you, but my cock's covered in poo.
Baby, just say chest.
Oh, I hate it.
Romeo,
Oh, I hate it.
take me.
Break
Oh,
up with
it's
someone as
so
fast as
fucking
possible,
cringy.
but still be nice.
Oh my god, baby, I'm
you so much. I'm so sorry. Oh, you didn't fuck me enough. Oh, I'm so sorry, but I love you. Oh, but I still love you. Oh, but I can't break up you.
Honestly, you're fucking clapped, but I guess you're all right.
It's not you, it's me. Bye.
I fucking hated that one.
Jesus Christ!
I don't like it at all,
I
guys.
hated it so
No, I ain't
much.
doing that.
I didn't like that either.
I didn't like that at all.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't know about you, but my cock's covered in poo.
You mumble sing though.
I did at the end. You just spoke over my mumble.
Baby, just say chest.
No, but that's just crap.
Yeah, but you haven't said the wrong
You didn't
words.
say the wrong word. That's crap.
I
Yeah.
mumbled the middle part.
No, Simon, you get mine.
It's the mumble bit.
Yeah, you get my
There
vote.
you go there.
Oh, I hated that so much.
I didn't like this prompts, guys.
You, but my cock's covered in poo.
What the fucking video is this looking in the forest?
Makes no sense.
Break up with someone as fast as possible.
Oh, I don't want to hear Harry's
It's
again.
me. Bye.
Right.
Ugh, I hate it.
So much. I'm so sorry. Oh, you didn't fuck me enough. Oh.
You're fucking clapped, but
They said
not
be
nice.
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 They said be nice.
I apologize.
Failed the prompt, man.
I mean, obviously Harry
You
wins.
didn't fuck me
Oh,
enough.
I hate it. This is like actually making me like want to die a little bit.
it was worth it, man.
You didn't fuck me enough.
Hey, who voted out Harry Vic?
Oh, wow.
Next, Harry.
Well, I was trying to play strategic. Oh my god, baby, I love you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I love you. Oh, but I still love you. Oh, but I can't break up you.
Oh my god.
This is
I'm
fucking
actually, I'm
degenerate,
like
man.
Hot pot. Your
cringing
volume makes you
inside
jump, get as far as you
24/7.
can.
This is horrible.
Loud equals bigger jump.
YouTube is a funny place, man. What do you mean this is a job?
Yay! I finally did a right one.
Fuck.
Jesus
I
Christ.
love this game. Wait, can we play this all the time?
This is so brain rot, it's unreal.
All right, record the sounds. The sound of a cutesy car honk.
I like Josh's more. Yeah, something like that. Oh, I like that one.
Honk, honk.
Cheer the name of a band you liked in high school.
Coldplay.
Oh, band.
McBusted.
Give me a beat. Busted.
Oh, they have to do multiple.
What? The sound of hysterical joy.
Yippee!
Oh my god. I was gonna try and play along with this, but I can't do it.
Oh, fuck.
Right,
It's going to be
upset, guys.
tragic.
Wow, okay.
Honk.
Oh.
I like the honk
yeah,
voice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
That's like
That was a monkey.
sample. Oh, GTA one. GTA one.
I think Simon's got to
I
win.
know,
I think I'm going to go that one.
Yeah, there we go.
I love this game, you lot.
I soil myself by voting on that. She's gone.
I love this game. It's my favourite thing.
I hated this. I hated this.
Oh, yeah, I hated this one.
Yo!
Oh.
What the fuck?
Wait.
What the fuck?
What?
It's a
Give me
Coldplay.
a beat. Busted.
Give me
No way!
Oh, what?
Which one's better? Can I replay them?
I don't really understand this one, mate. Like,
side.
You will hear it
Give
though.
me a beat. Busted.
I'm intrigued to see what the video is going to be for it.
Oh, my God. That was so shit.
Busted!
Oh, actually, it might be. Just give it a thumbs up.
Oh, wow, spread across the
one.
board.
Go play.
It's muted, by the way.
Sound of hysterical joy.
I hated this one.
No, that ain't joy, bro.
Maniacal.
That's a horror movie.
That's good. I like
That one works.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I like that. That's good, actually.
Oh.
No! What the fuck?
That's diabolical.
What a fucking joker.
Love for that. Love for that.
Stop replaying that.
Oh man.
Yeah, Toby just flew up.
Let's see the video though.
Ugh.
$1 billion. What is the capital of Iowa?
That is correct.
Now, what's going on?
What is
That was a really good one.
That's class.
Oh, this game is joke.
Oh.
What's happening here?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
Runner up.
Runner up.
Oh.
For $1 billion.
right.
What is the capital of Iowa?
Is this in order then?
Correct.
No, this is just a.
A runner-up. Oh, they were quite cool.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, okay. I don't want it to end, man. I was having a
Yeah,
great
no,
time.
that's just so much fun.
Okay,
It's fucking painful to watch, I'll be honest.
Josh, 2130.
climbed up the ranking.
Harry,
funny as fuck.
2640.
Come on.
Oh,
Toby, 27.
Yeah.
Ethan's right,
Love that. Love that.
Wow.
Nice.
Love for that.
fuck's sake.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, can we just play that all the time?
I'll just play again,
Play
motherfucker.
that all the time.
Yeah, that's so good.
Jesus Christ. Well, bit of a shorter video today, but to be fair, if it was any longer, I think I'd die from cringing. So I'm very fucking happy. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like down below. Subscribe for more. Come chill out with us over on Twitch. We've got 10 hours, 40 minutes left. As of recording this, it'll be less by the time you guys get here. But come and chill out with us. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.